Good afternoon. My name is Vladimir Tikamirov. I'm Chief Economist at BCS Global Markets, and I'll give you my view on the coming week in the macro area. The past week was quite turbulent for the markets. First of all, we have seen this flow of quite disturbing news from China concerning the new virus. The spread of the new virus, the reports of new closures of regions and major negative effect on the mobility of the population in China and worldwide. This had a negative impact, first of all, on the oil market, as oil seems to be under pressure due to projected decrease in transport flows and, as a result, projected fall in the demand for oil. That has affected, obviously, the Russian market and the ruble. We have seen correction in both market indices and the ruble. And the coming week we'll be watching this flow of events from China, because that's a very important possible negative development for the global economy, for the demand in the world, for the oil markets, not to mention the state of health of the population. So, of course, that's something that would continue to drive market sentiment and perhaps lead to a bit higher outflow from risky assets. Ruble and the Russian market could continue to remain under pressure. The two other big events this week would be the Fed meeting on Tuesday and Wednesday. The market and us, we don't expect any change in the rate, and we basically expect the comments from the Fed to remain mildly positive regarding the state of the US economy. And the second event this week would be Friday, 31st of January, which is the final date for UK to leave European Union. This has been in the making for months. That's not a big surprise for the markets. However, the surprises could come afterwards, because there is a transition period that would last until the end of 2020. But we expect that the full impact of this event, both on the UK economy and the European Union economy, could start to be assessed by the markets in the coming months. We expect that this event could have some negative implications for both the pound and the euro, so we'll be watching that as well. Thank you.